Hello guys from 8th grade and welcome to another literature class. Today I'm going to explain you what is the word we're going to be doing. As you remember, last week we read the pages 34 to 37. That in that pages we have some poems. So today we're going to analyze those poems and I want you to do your own interpretation of this. For example, you're going to take a detail from a poem. You can say, let's say the first poem that is in page 34, that is called Miracles. And let's say we got over here, why, who makes much of a miracle? So let's say, for example, that who makes much for a miracle? Who makes big a miracle? So I can say we're going to write that in over here, a detail from the poem, what I know from reading or from experience, who makes much for a miracle. For example, for me, it will be the humans. The humans is with who pay attention to the miracles. So us as humans are the one who make them big, and we're going to make an inference. What is an inference? Is what the text is trying to tell me. So we have to read between lines, like using context clues, and tell me what is the explanation, what is the poem means to me. So we're going to do one for poem. This one you're going to fill it with your own words. So I want you to try to analyze the poems and try to complete this section by using your own words, what you know from experience and what is the inference. This one, the inference is what are you getting, what is the meaning to you from this poem. Okay, so you can do it like that, and then you're going to answer these questions. So the subject of a poem is what the poem is about. So what is the subject of the poem? So you're going to write what are the subjects from this poem. So you have to answer each of one of these questions, and you can copy in your notebook and send the pictures to me. You have to take a picture and send it. If you have a question, you can reach me at my cell phone and I can help you to understand what you're talking about, okay? Next, in the next page, we have some some other questions that we're going to answer. The following question is answer the following question in complete sentence. So, for example, we have what does the title Miracles emphasize? What is the emphasis in the title Miracles? It's talking about the miracles of life, the miracles that come around the world. So, why is the theme miracles? What is the miracles emphasize? So this one you're going to answer. You can read the poems one more time to answer this question. And at last, you're going to answer this last three questions. That is, what do you get from this? To what extent do your own experience, values, belief, or assumption influence your interpretation of a poem? So in this case, in this partial, we are capturing the the baggage of knowledge that you have accumulated and how we are going to affect us to what is the poem to tell us, because what the poems tell me is different than what the poems tells you. So this one you can work it like that. So I hope your answers, I hope you work. You're going to have all the weekend to work in this. Take your time and do it with your own words. Importance here, I want to hear your voice. I want to hear your own words. What is the interpretation? Maybe you don't have, if you do it right, if you do it with your own words, with your own meaning, you're going to have all the questions right. Okay, so have a great day and bye bye.